We found that QuickBooks Enterprise had all the tools we needed as a small company and helped us grow into a large company, and the program was able to scale with us. Coast Beverage is a beverage distributor serving local San Diego accounts. We work with customers of restaurants, bars, liquor stores, universities, golf courses. I have to make sure that we have correct inventory constantly in stock for major brands that we carry and even the smaller brands that we carry. The advancements when we decided to implement QuickBooks Enterprise helped us scale as a company to be able to pick up national brands and to be able to work with customers at a national level. And we're able to use QuickBooks Enterprise's features to predict and forecast inventory that we will need in the future. We're able to place purchase orders, send them directly to our vendors, and able to have the purchase orders show up on our sales reps' handhelds so they know when inventory is coming in. We're able to break it down by what customers are purchasing that product, how often they're purchasing that product, and whether or not it's a good enough product to keep in our warehouse. A term we never like to use at Coast Beverage is out of stock, and because of QuickBooks Enterprise and the advanced inventory portal, we hardly use that term anymore. The future is very bright for Coast Beverage. We see multiple locations of Coast nationwide, and none of that is possible without the tools from QuickBooks Enterprise.